Hey, what's up, what's up? This is Adam altogether, and I convinced my brother that Skylines were cool, so he went out and bought this ugly R33. Now it's time to make it look beautiful. Other than some faded, ugly red paint, this car is actually in amazing condition, with only 42,000 original miles. Was upgrade the front end to the later model S2 bumper. Next it was time to strip some paint. The paint was almost completely original, so it sanded very easily. Now that I was done sanding, it's time to prime. I lay 2 to 3 coats of high build primer, that way it levels off the surface. While the primer is still drying, I dust a light coat of some extra paint that I have to use as a guide coat. This shows me where I need to sand. Next, I block sand the whole car with 220 grit, and then reprime with a thinner primer. After hours of sanding, it's finally time to clean it and start masking. Start with a black base coat to make our color appear a little bit deeper. And here is the final color, R34 Midnight Purple 2. Not everything goes to plan. I had this weird chemical reaction on the taillight covers. So I had to sand them, seal them, and do it again. That's better. One of the last things I do is wet sand and polish the entire paint job to make sure it's as smooth as glass. I use 3M heavy-duty rubbing compound with a wool pad and a high-speed polisher to get that first cut and polish. Next, I use 3M's machine polish on a foam pad. Subscribe to see some more classic Japanese restorations.